That was my biggest concern, is being able to do one job, not pulling the batteries totally down, and then being able to go into the next job. That was one of my biggest concerns, and they charge going down the road anyway, so we do get a little bit of a charge as the vehicle's driving, as the vehicle is on, and also the fact that the equipment doesn't really pull it down enough to where the compressor has to run and run down the battery, and that battery back there keeps up with that compressor. It really takes a long time for it to discharge. It would have to run a long time for it to discharge, especially when you're on a full charge. We do have a shore power hookup to it. It's actually on the side of the van. It goes into the 110 outlet, and that is nice because let's just say that we had several big jobs at the end of the day, and then somebody comes back at the end of the night and the vehicle's totally discharged. That would be a problem for the guy in the morning, so we're able to put it on the shore charge and have it ready for them. The EPIC system in and of itself allows us to be able to do things that we wouldn't necessarily be able to do with a conventional gasoline setup. Plus, you start going out to somebody's EV vehicle with a gasoline engine, with a gasoline compressor, with a noisy compressor and everything. People with Teslas, that's not necessarily going to be appealing to them. And it's an all-in-one, one-stop shop for us. It was really tailor-made for what we were after.